Yeah, hi Vishal Kumar.
Yeah, hi. So, just- can you start your camera?
Yeah, I have started my camera. Can you see me?
1 minute. Yes, yes. Yep, Sanjay.
Yeah,
So, we'll start. Tell me about yourself.
yeah. My name is Prasanjay Kumar. I have done MCA from Chandigarh Engineering College. I have 6.7 years of experience and working for Sapiens International Corporation Limited. My totally role is like a backend developer, working as a backend developer in Sapiens, and I'm using technology here: Java, Hibernate, JavaScript, jQuery, XML, and REST web services.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Total experience 6.7 years.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, okay. So, let's start Java.
Yeah.
What is the new feature in Java 8?
Java 8 addresses 9 or 10 features came like a stream API, collection API, functional interface, Java time improvement, Java IO improvement, miscellaneous function, and other also we have Lambda expression scheme. Yeah.
Okay, okay. What is the functional interface?
Functional interface are those interface which can have only one abstract method, and it can have any number of default and static method, and it can have also object class method.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, okay. So, Prasanjay,
Yeah.
you have to write one syntax in chat box.
Yeah.
There is no array, 1 to 10 number is available,
Okay.
and you have to find odd number through the lambda expression.
I have a Eclipse also. If you want, I can share my screen and I can
No,
show you
no,
the exact output.
no. Chat box you can write. In chat box you can
Okay.
write.
Okay. So I have already array list of array. Okay. 1 second.
Of array,
Uh,
and you have to find using lambda expression odd number.
Odd number. Yeah, I can do it. Actually, also the chart. 1 second. Uh, can I type in notepad and I'll paste it? Is that fine?
Yes, yes,
Because
yes, yes.
small box, so that's why it's difficult for me. And
Okay.
if you want, I can share your screen also if you have any kind of anything. Otherwise, just
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay.
okay. I'm sharing my screen so that I have shared my screen.
Okay.
Yeah. So I have a one. Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes. You
Yeah.
write just I'm coming 2 minutes, huh?
Yeah. 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 I have done. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, how done?
Okay, okay. So it's list stream map for each. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
You can stop here.
Okay, I'm sharing video. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Sanjay, tell me that what is the return type of equal and hash code method?
Return type of equals and hash mode. Okay. For hash
Hash
code,
code.
return type will be integer, and yeah.
Okay.
If for equals, it will check the value. So value kind of equals. I think string. I'm not sure, but in hash code, I know integer. Equals is same
Okay, okay.
string.
String or boolean?
I think boolean maybe. Boolean. Yeah, string. One second. Equals much to check the equality of the object. Yeah, boolean. True or false? Yeah, equality of the object it
Okay.
will check. Yeah.
What is the return type of sleep and wait method?
Sleep and wait method return type. Dot sleep. And sleep and wait. Actually, we never took the return type from there. Just directly we are calling thread dot sleep or wait we are calling. We are not trying to get the return type. So I'm not sure what is the return type for that one.
Okay. What is the difference between array list and linked list?
Yeah, the main difference for the array list and linked list, array is a random access interface, and linked list is a it's a sequential access, sequential like a sequential, yeah, linear like a access interface. So array is using only one node to access the data. Like a arrays, they are using the data structure to access the data, but in linked list they are storing the data first node, last node. Array it will consume less memory. Linked list it will consume more memory because they are having first node information and last node information also. So this is the thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
You have to write one query,
Yeah.
SQL query,
Yeah.
is the find the second highest salary from employee table.
Okay.
See chat box you can write.
Okay. One second. Chat. I'm just typing in Notepad. I'll copy and paste. Just give
Okay.
me 30 seconds only. Max. Select max. Select max. Yes. And then I just pasted. I have pasted.
Okay. So are you working Spring Boot?
Spring Boot, yeah, I'm working.
Okay. So what default dependency we are get in first Spring Boot project?
First scope, Spring Boot default dependency, Spring singleton default scope is there. One second. Default dependency.
Once you creating the project, some default you are getting that default. You have to add default dependencies. Pom.xml.
Spring Boot starter. Spring Boot starter we are going to use. Spring hyphen boot
Okay.
hyphen starter. We can use like whatever you want.
Okay. Okay. Are you working microservices?
Yes, I have one, but I have a very less experience in microservices. But you can ask.
Okay. So how two services will communicate?
two service if I want to communicate, so for that one I have to create a two different services, and I have to create like a Eureka client, Eureka server also for that one. So from there Eureka client side, I have to like we have to call one REST template object. We have to create a bean for the REST template object, and with that bean we have to auto add, and that auto add bean we have to call REST template object dot get for object. Inside the URL we have to give whatever we have a URL, and that particular class name will take the will give the input parameter also, and after hitting the URL we'll get the response, and that response we can put in the next URL. Like we can call get rest for we can call rest template object dot get for object, and we can give the URL, we can get the output. So we have to give the class name also. A same Pojo class we have to write in discovery server also and discovery client also. So Pojo class should be present for the both side.
Okay. Okay. What is the static block?
A static block mostly we are using to manage the memory. Okay, and static block also we are using is a class level. Whenever we are loading the class, static block also will get loaded on that time. And static block mostly we are calling like a static block. Whenever you want to initialize before the main method, we can go for static block. Means whenever we want some static kind of data, like some static mostly we are using with constant, and we want the same kind of data every time. If we are calling every time we want same kind of data, then there we are using static. Like a static we are using while creating a connection, we want to return one connection only for entire application, so there we are using static block also, static method also we can use.
Okay.
So it's just handling the main purpose of memory management. While loading the class, static block also will get loaded.
Okay. Uh,
Hello. Sit. Hello. So, okay, power issue. Power issue. Shit. Hello. Sorry, Vishal. Actually, there is a huge rain in Bangalore, so power cut again has happened.
okay. Okay.
Yeah. Sorry.
So, person, you are going to next round.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So that person will become for interview.
Okay.
Next person will become.
Today only.
Yes, you have to talk with him.
Okay, okay.
Hi Prasanjay, hi
Yeah.
Vishal.
Hi, Manish.
I am Manish sir. So Prasanjay is available. All right. Yeah. Can you please forward me the Tech IRS and the CV? Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, Vishal. Going to send you. Yeah. Thank you, so, Vishal. Just now I'm going to leave. Yeah, that should be fine with me. Yeah. And Vishal, okay, I'll ping you later. No, not a problem. Yeah. Okay. Hey, Prasanjay.
Hi, Manish.
So, hey. So first round clear, after technical part is clear, right?
Yeah, yeah, Manish.
I'll be taking your final round.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, yeah.
And my name is Manish Kavit. I am a senior project manager with Coforge.
Okay, okay.
All right. I handle a team size of around about 64 people, basically 9 Scrum teams.
Okay.
That's a very short introduction about myself.
Okay.
Can we have a very a small intro about you and then we can proceed ahead?
Yeah, 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 sure. My name is Prasanjit Kumar. I have done MCA from Chandigarh Engineering College, and I have a 6.7 year of experience and working for Sapiens International Corporation Limited. My project is a totally based on the insurance domain, and I'm working there like a senior developer, and my role is a totally backend developer, like a new kind of enhancement, story development, bug fixing, and like a validation logic, business logic. This kind of a work I used to do on daily basis.
Okay,
Yeah.
fair enough. So, what version of Java do you use?
I have used Java 8.
8. And how long you have been using?
From last 2 years, I'm using Java 8.
Last 2 years.
Yeah.
Do you use Spring Boot along with it?
Yes, yes.
Okay, fair enough. Do you follow Agile as a
Agile.
development
Yeah, Agile we are following.
methodology?
Yes, yes, Agile we are following.
So, what do you follow? Like 1 week sprint, 2 week sprint?
Every week sprint.
1 week sprint.
Yes,
Every
yes,
week is one.
yes,
Yeah, week by week. Okay,
yes.
fair enough. Fair. Or can you describe me more about your day-to-day activities?
Yeah. Like whenever we log in, after that we have a status call, and a status call we used to discuss like what is a blocker, what we are going to do, and what we have done till now, and if we are facing any kind of a challenges, that one we have to discuss. So that
Mm-hmm.
whatever we had a doubt, any kind of a doubt, if we are not able to solve, that definitely will approach to our senior only. But my daily task like a day work like a, if I'm getting a requirement, story requirement, every week we are getting a requirement, or if we are not getting a requirement, then we have to work on some Jira ticket bug fixing. So if I'll get a requirement, first we have to go through the requirement. We have to analyze the first document, and after analyzing, we have to give some estimation time when we can complete that one. Within 2 days, 3 days, we can complete, and plus unit testing, all these things. So I'll just before giving the estimation, I'll do complete analysis, and if I have a doubt, then again I'll check with my BA. So he will tell all this solution, and after that I'll start working on that. Once I'll start working on that, if I'll face any kind of a challenges, or if I'll face like a, yeah, I'm facing some difficulty, then I'll approach to senior on that time, and after that we'll try to finish within a deadline time, and after that means. After finishing that work also, we have to do any testing, all test cases we have to check, like from my side as a developer, what we are doing, like test cases we have to check new test cases, that's it only. And after that we have to do code review, and we have to commit the code in like SVN. So this kind of work I used to do, and if I'm getting a bug, then we have to reproduce that bug in my local system, and again I have to debug line by line, and we have to check whether what kind of error we are getting, other we are getting null pointer exception, or other error we are getting, or exception we are getting. That according to that we have to provide a fix for that. And if you are
Okay.
developing a user story, then validation logic, business logic, etc., etc., we have to write. So we have to take care of all these things, like a proper format should be there, proper standard code will be there, code will be minimized, all logic should be present inside the code.
Okay.
Yeah,
Fair enough. So, Prasenjit, last question from my side.
yeah,
All right.
yeah.
See, every organization in this world wants their employees to be good team players, right?
Yes, yes.
What is your understanding on a good team player, on being a good team player?
Yeah. Actually, I have worked as a technical lead also. So I was playing some role for technical lead also. What I had realized while working as a technical lead, I realized like a meaning of the like my teammate. They are not able to complete my task. They are not able to complete some deadline task, and I, if they will not complete the task, I know there will be some blocker. I'll not go and I'll shout them on. I'll not shout them there. I'll ask because we have to schedule a daily call. In daily call, we'll come to know what is the progress and where we are on, whether we are on track or not. So what I came to know there, if my teammate they are facing any kind of issue, we have to talk them politely. We have to take the work from them, and we have to fix that issue as a, if I am working as a technical lead, I'll not feel like I'm a technical lead. I feel treat as a friendly there, and I'll try to fix that problem also as a as a senior developer or tech lead, and I'll, because my team they are facing such kind of issue. If I'll not fix that problem, then customer will come and he will ask that project on project delivery. If he'll not give the project delivery, the entire team will be face a big problem on that time. So what I'll used to think, I have to work as a team, and the team. If they are facing any kind of issue, we have to solve as a team only. We have to cooperate each other. That I feel.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Fair enough, Prasenjit. You're right. Prasenjit, what is your total experience you mentioned?
6.7 year I have.
6.7, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Just give me a minute, okay?
Yeah. Miss.
And if are you serving the notice period or
No,
is it like
still I didn't get any offer letter, and I have not put down paper.
no?
So
So,
once I'll get,
no, no problem.
yeah.
No problem. In that case, what is your notice period?
Officially, it is 60 days, but I can negotiate up to 45 days.
Okay, no
Yeah,
worries. I mean, I'll just write the official. I'll
yeah,
just write the official notice period right
yeah, yeah.
here.
Officially, it's 60 days.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So, okay, I'll just Prasanjay Kumar is the full name, right?
Yes, correct, correct.
Let me just finish the feedback form.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay, Prasanjay, would you like to know anything from my end or any other details would you like?
Yeah,
Otherwise, I can explain you what is the organization and what do we do and all that stuff.
yeah. Actually, that one I had a question. You can explain about a little bit company and where is it located exactly. So that thing, nothing else I want to know. That's it. That's it only I
Oh,
want
okay,
to know. Yeah.
okay, fair enough. So, Prasanjay, have you heard about NIIT technologies?
In IIT technology, I have heard an IIT technology, NIIT technology, right?
NIIT,
Yeah,
yeah,
that one I know. I
NIIT.
know very well that company. NIIT technology is
You
located in
know very
Bangalore,
well.
Delhi. So many branches. I know very well that company.
How do you know?
because while I was in college and I gave an interview on that campus placement. During the campus placement, I came to know this NIIT Technologies company. This company was located in Delhi, and I know in Bangalore also. I think Core Mangla side is located. This company is located at NIIT Technology. This company is a big
Yeah,
MNC company.
Silicon
I know
side.
about this company. This is a company, is a big MNC company. Yeah.
Yes, that is true. And you're absolutely right.
Yeah.
So, Coforge is basically NIIT Technologies. Okay,
Okay, okay, okay.
the same name is being rebranded.
Okay, like a HP company is a change to DXC technology. Okay, okay.
Exactly, the same
Okay.
thing.
Okay,
And
okay.
do you know why HP did that?
I don't know why they did. Suddenly, I came to know HP company they have
Uh,
changed the DXC
let me.
technology.
What happens is sometimes to make a bigger profits or to to increase their value in the market,
Yeah, yeah.
people merge with the companies that can fund for a long time,
Okay, okay.
right? That can fund for their operations or something for a long time, all right?
Okay, okay, okay.
Or there are other reasons also, okay?
Okay.
So the company that merged with DXC, or sorry, HP, the
Okay.
same company merged with NIIT and they
Okay.
formed a brand called as Coforge.
Okay, okay. And that's why actually that company name I got a Co4J. I was trying to Google it and I was thinking this is the first time I think I'm hearing the company. But you told NIT, NIT I know it's a very big company and I know this is a
Yeah,
reputed company.
right.
Yeah, one time
And
was there. I was very much excited to join this company. I was because I was not on that time. I was holding any kind of offer letter, and now also from last four year also I was thinking, yeah, NIT company is a good company. If I'll get a call, definitely I'll try my best to give the interview, give my best.
so this is NIIT. So this is NIIT Technologies. Okay,
Okay, okay,
we operate in basically four major areas:
yeah, yeah.
banking, insurance, travel, transport, hospitality, and healthcare and life science. Okay,
Okay, okay,
right now we have been working with 250 plus clients,
okay,
all mostly like I would say 70-80% long term clients.
okay,
All right. And for example, I work with a company called as Sabre from NIT, and Sabre has been with us for 19 years. It's a 19-year long relationship with Sabre.
okay,
So likewise, we have multiple clients that are long-term clients.
okay, okay.
And other part is that you are absolutely right. We have headquarters in Noida. There is an
Yeah.
office in Mumbai.
Yeah, yeah. My
I
friend,
started my
my
career.
friend also they are working in Noida location, so that's why I know about this NIT technology much.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there's office in Mumbai and there's office in Bangalore. You're absolutely right.
Yes, yes.
So and apart from that, there are 21 offices across the world.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry, there are total 21 offices across the world.
Okay. Okay.
Not apart from that, including these three offices in that list.
Okay.
Uh, uh, Up until last year, we renamed the company to Coforge in last August.
Yeah,
In
yeah.
August 2020, we renamed NIT Technologies to Coforge.
Okay, okay.
At that time, the company strength was around about 12,000 employees, in
Okay.
between 12 and 13,000. Today, we are 23,000.
Okay, okay.
Within a year, it is almost an 11,000 employee growth.
Yes,
That is
yes.
because after the merger, when little bit COVID problem started resolving and things started opening up, when the
Yeah.
market opened up, we bought a company that has of almost about 6 to 7,000 employees.
Okay.
And apart from that, the other 5-6,000 have been added via interviews only.
Okay.
But it is still a very exponential growth, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Because the kind of work we have in hand, the kind of important clients we have in hand, basically what is happening is a lot of our clients are going through modernization, right?
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Legacy system to Java-based system, monolithic architectures to microservice-based
Yes,
architectures.
yes, yes.
Any applications that are previously coded, they are going on to the cloud-based platform, right?
Yes, yes, correct.
So all these modernizations are going on, and it's whenever there is a modernization, they are not smaller, right? They are not
Yes.
1 or 2 year process. It is always minimum of 5 years, 6 years, 7 years effort, right?
Yes, yes.
So it's a long. These are the long term projects we have in hand, and a lot of clients require a lot of people to do, their work.
Yeah.
So as you said, there is. technical stack requirement of Java 8 and Spring Boot, microservices is on the go,
Yeah,
right? So
I have
that's the minimum.
experience.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's all about the projects and the company.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, once you told NIT, that is enough for me. I thought some other company because I was trying to Google on that company. Google. I was trying to Google that company also, but I was not getting much more information. But
Mhm.
once you told NIT, that thing is enough for me. That nothing else I want. NIT is a big branded MNC company. I know about this company, and I'm really. If I get selected, I'm really very much excited to join. If I get selected.
Okay. You are from my side. See, you cleared technical round and you came to me. From my side, the result is positive. Since you are so excited, I will tell you the
Yeah,
answer.
thank you so much, Manish. Thank you so much for this.
My side, the result is positive.
Yeah,
See,
thank you.
my only thing is, when a person clears a technical interview,
Yeah, yeah.
the only part for me as a manager to ask is he suitable to work in a group as a team player?
Yes, yes.
Is his attitude towards work and people is good?
Yes.
If yes, then don't even want to ask technical questions, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Other things, you see, technically person can be average. Attitude is the important thing that person carries.
Yeah.
जो बोलते हैं ना आदमी का कहना एटीट्यूड होता है,
Yes, yes. Correct, correct.
अगर वो सही नहीं है तो
Yeah.
वो बंदा सही नहीं है, अगर वो सही है तो उसको दुनिया की कोई भी सिचुएशन में डालो वो सब कुछ सही करेगा।
Yes, yes. Correct.
तो वो मेरे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। मैं उतना ही देखता हूँ कि आंसर करते समय कैसे आंसर कर रहा है सामने वाला, कितना डिलीजेंटली आंसर कर रहा है, और है ना, वो पैशन दिखना चाहिए आंसर में, बस उतना काफी हो जाता है।
यस, सही सही आपने बोला। हाँ, एनआईटी टेक्नोलॉजी में था, मेरा टाइम था कि क्रेज़ था मेरे को ज्वाइन करने का, और काफ़ी टाइम अप्लाई भी किया लेकिन हुआ नहीं, अनफॉर्चुनेटली अनलकली मतलब हुआ नहीं। और आज जैसे आपने बताया फीडबैक, मुझे अच्छा लगा ज्वाइन देख मतलब मुझे अच्छा लगा कि फाइनली हो रहा है। मेरे दोस्त लोग वहाँ काम करते थे कॉलेज टाइम से, मेरा हुआ नहीं, मेरा लास्ट राउंड में रह गया था कैंपस प्लेसमेंट में। एचआर डिस्कशन में मेरा कुछ रह गया था, टेस्ट क्लियर हो गया था, एचआर डिस्कशन में रह गया था। बहुत सैड फील हुआ। वहाँ से फिर चंडीगढ़ से बैंगलोर आके गया, बैंगलोर आया, यहाँ पे कितने जॉब लिए, मतलब बहुत मुश्किल हुआ था मुझे जॉब लेने में, बट फिर भी स्ट्रगल करते करते पहुँच गया एक जगह।
कोई नहीं भाई, जो देखो जो स्ट्रगल करता है, जो मेहनत करता है ना, आज तुम एनआईटी में हो, शायद कल तुम गूगल में बैठोगे।
वो तो मैं कभी इमेजिन नहीं कर सकता हूँ उस चीज़ को, क्योंकि उनका
नहीं करो, मैं तो बोलता हूँ करो। देखो तुम्हारे जैसे बंदे ने ये इमेजिन करना चाहिए, है ना?
गूगल और माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, ये दो कंपनी को छोड़कर आप कहीं भी बोलेंगे मैं ट्राई कर सकता हूँ, लेकिन ये कंपनी मेरी मतलब लगता नहीं है कि कभी इस कंपनी में जा पाऊंगा, कभी जिंदगी में जा पाऊंगा, ऐसा लगता है।
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है यार प्रसन्न, आप टारगेट तो करो। आप टारगेट तो करो कि कुछ सालों बाद मुझे या तो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट या गूगल में बैठना है, या फिर क्या है वो ओरेकल में बैठना है, राइट?
यस।
कुछ सालों बाद एक्सपीरियंस ले लो। इम्पोर्टेंट ये होता है कि एक्सपीरियंस लो, जिस जहाँ पे जाना है उस कंपनी को स्टडी करो कि क्या चलता है क्या नहीं चलता, किस तरीके के सवाल पूछे जाते हैं, क्या किस तरीके के काम होते हैं। आप चले जाओगे। एटीट्यूड सही रखने वाला बंदा जाता है, बुरा एटीट्यूड रखने वाला बंदा वो भले ही चले जाए लेकिन उसे कभी काम राज नहीं आता ना, वो चीज राज नहीं आती। तो आप चले जाओगे, आप अच्छा भी कर लोगे। टारगेट करो। फिलहाल आ जाओ एनआईटी में, मुझे भी खुशी होगी आपको।
ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच। मैं डेफिनेटली आऊंगा मैं।
ठीक है,
ठीक है, ठीक है,
चलो
ठीक है।
चलो प्रसाद जी, आपका सैटरडे का दिन है। वेरी हैप्पी सैटरडे टू यू एंड योर फैमिली।
आपको भी।
थैंक यू सो मच प्रसाद जी।
थैंक यू, आपको भी। ठीक है, थैंक यू।